You're frustrated because it feels like God's taking too long. You prayed, you believed, you waited, and it still fell apart. But what if I told you the delay is the setup for the miracle? John 11, verse 6 says, "So when he heard that Lazarus was sick, he stayed where he was 2 more days." Jesus loved Lazarus and still didn't come right away. Why? Because he wasn't interested in just healing a sick man. He came to raise a dead one. You think you need a rescue, but God's planning a resurrection. Sometimes God waits so everyone watching will know this wasn't luck, this wasn't timing, this was God. And when Jesus shows up, it's never too late. John 11, verse 40 says, "Did I not tell you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God?" Some of you buried the thing that God's about to wake up. You gave up on it, but God never did. Your Lazarus is still coming out. The promise is still alive. You just need to roll away the stone. Type "come forth" in the comments if you know Jesus is speaking life over your waiting season. He's never early, he's never late, he's right on time, and he's calling you out. God bless you.